बोलो बेटा, बोलो से। Yes, someone was speaking.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
we, we have to take the textbook.
Yes, you have to take
Okay,
मतलब purchase or right now.
right now.
Yes, you have to take it with you. You have to sit with the books always. You have to sit with the books along with the books and then attend the lecture.
Okay, ma'am.
Humera is there.
Ma'am,
Humera. Huh?
can I read?
Ma'am, she
Yes.
is not there.
Okay,
Ma'am, can
read.
I read?
हाँ read.
Okay, ma'am. Lesson number 5, location and time. What are these vertical and horizontal lines on the globe of the earth? They are imaginary lines. Imaginary lines are and are not a draw on the surface of the earth. The horizontal lines are called latitudes and the vertical lines are known as longitude. What are the latitude and degrees of latitude? Let us learn through an activity. Measure the angle of different places in the classroom with the help of a protect, protector pencil and paper. Draw a circle on a paper and write down the angle of the circle at 10 degrees, 90 degrees, 30 degrees, and 60 degrees. Lati- Latitude is an angle which
Ranges. Range नहीं ranges.
ranges from 0 degrees at the equator to 90 degrees north or south at the poles. Lines of latitude run east west as circles par- parallel to the
The
equator.
equator. Hmm.
Draw
See,
us. Okay, ma'am.
I already explained you previously. Okay, what are
Ma'am, now can
latitudes?
I read it?
Latitudes are what beta? They are angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degrees north and south at the poles. Where? At the poles. Okay.
Ma'am, your
Line.
voice is not coming.
Girls, am I not audible?
Ma'am, you
Now
are
it's
audible.
coming.
Audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Huh. So lines of latitudes run east-west as circles parallel to the equator. How do they run, beta? East to west as they are circles to the equator. Okay, parallel. What are they? They are parallel lines. I explained you in the presentation also. Remember now?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
So the latitudes are also known as parallels. Okay, why? Because they run parallel to the equator. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I
Yeah.
continue?
Ma'am,
Yes, you
can I
can.
read now? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
now
I
can I
can
want
I read in
continue?
my...
I want one new admission girl also to take a chance. Is there anyone present? New admission?
Ma'am, can I read in my...
A new admission girl? No new admission girls are present.
Then, ma'am, can I read?
New admission girls like Asaria Batul, Mohammad Abbas, Daudani Tanzim, Mansuri Afrin, Mo Bafrin, Bilakhia Khadija, Lada Zikra, Makani
Ma'am, can I
Mariam,
read?
Virani Sakina, Haved Sejim, Pathan Shifa. No one is present from all this. I spoke the names.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
everyone
can
is
I read?
present, but no one is giving the answer.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, then, ma'am, can I read?
What is your good name?
Tholia Fatima.
Ilma
Okay.
Rathod. Ma'am, can I read?
I
Ma'am, can
want
I read?
someone from the new girls.
Can I read Mohdeh Sarajani?
Asaria Batul, Daudani Tanzim, Manzuri Afrin, Mo Bafrin.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा, बिलखिया
ma'am,
खदीजा.
one girl say Samim Lada. Can I read? Samim Lada.
Okay. Samim Lada. What is the full name?
Zikra, ma'am.
Yes, Zikra. Zikra
Zikra
school
Lada.
by. Yes, yes, Zikra. You can, of course.
Okay, ma'am. The equator is the middle latitude or the 0 degree latitude which divides the Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. The part of the Earth that lies to the north of the north of the 0 degree equator latitude is called the northern hemisphere, and the part that lies to the south is known as the southern hemisphere.
Continue, continue, Zikra.
Hmm. How may latitude pass through our village or city? How can we find?
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
ma'am, her voice is not coming
Yes.
properly.
Rajani Modi, sorry, better.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
then can I read
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Yes, read better, Rajani Modi, sir.
Yes, ma'am. The equator is the middle latitude or the 0 degree latitude which divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. The part of the earth of lines that lies to the north of the 0 degree equator latitude is called the northern hemisphere, and the part that lies to the southern hemisphere is known as the southern hemisphere. South is known as the southern hemisphere. How many latitudes passes through our village or city? How can we find out? Do and
Ma'am, it is
learn.
moving now.
Things to know.
Ma'am, can I read?
GPS, mobile phone, and Google. The exact latitude and longitudes of a place can be known with the help of global
Hmm.
positioning system in the phone and satellites in the space. Using the internet, you can get information about the latitude and longitude of your village and city by simply clicking in the my location option in your phone. Longitude and longitudinal coordinates of a place. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on a global globe that runs in the north and south direction and south direction are known as longitudes. Find the following from the given map. Uh, Number A. Through which country does the 0 degree longitude passes? Number B. How many longitudes are present in the eastern and western hemisphere respectively?
Exactly, exactly. Now, through which country does the 0 degree longitude passes that we have to write down? From the countries of which 0 degree equator passes and Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes that I gave you yesterday, right? Right or wrong? Written now, everyone.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Yes. Now 0 degree longitude कहाँ से पास होता है वो लिखना है, okay? Okay, Amiri Fatima Zehra is coming in online classes. Amiri
No,
Fatima Zehra, is she
no,
coming?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
And Gaurani Sania Zainab.
Ma'am, can I read Aina?
Gaurani
Can
Sania
I?
Zainab is coming.
No, ma'am.
Roll number
No.
16.
And
No, ma'am.
Sanya Zainab in some time.
Gaurani Sania
Ma'am,
Zainab is coming.
ma'am,
No.
ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
read?
ma'am, can
ma'am,
I read Tolia Fatima?
Ma'am,
Please,
can I
all of
read?
you mute your mics first.
Ma'am, can
All
I
of
read?
you. All of you mute your mics. Gaurani Sania Zainab is coming in online classes.
No, ma'am.
Some
Sometime. Sometime.
sometime.
Hmm. And Dal Khushi is so not coming only.
No,
And
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Saujani Sakina Imran Bhai is present.
Ma'am,
No.
can I read? Ma'am, can I read
No,
Aina?
ma'am.
I said
Ma'am, can
stop
I read
asking me, Aina.
Chocolate?
Stop asking me. Saujani Sakina Imran bhai.
Ma'am, some
And Siddhartha Rafia Ibrahim bhai.
no, ma'am.
She never
Ma'am,
comes.
she is also coming sometime.
Eh?
She is coming sometime.
And Sayyada Simran Banu comes.
Ma'am,
Sayyid,
Sayed Sirin.
yeah, she comes.
Sometime.
And Zaid Bibi.
Ma'am, sometimes she also.
In
Hmm.
starting, she is coming.
Okay, okay,
Now she is coming.
Then,
okay.
ma'am, can I read Tolia Fatima?
No,
Ma'am, can
no.
I?
The
Aina,
girls
ma'am.
were asking me for permission. I never give them chance.
Okay,
Hello.
ma'am.
Now we saw about major longitudes. As you know about, yes, in this map I had shown you okay, what are latitudes. See, can you see here? This all are latitudes. The markings are latitudes: 0 degree equator, 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer. Where is it between 15 degree and 30 degree? It is there, right?
Yes.
Same. All these are here are longitudes. Can you see? 0 degree, 15 degree, 30 degree. Down also see. Can you see? So they are longitudes. Okay. What are they? They are longitudes. Yes. So there are in total 360 longitudes. How many longitudes are there, beta? 360. 180 towards the eastern hemisphere and 180 towards the western hemisphere. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I?
ma'am, can I read now, please, ma'am?
I said I'm not going to ask the girls who are keeping on asking permissions again and again.
I'm sorry, I want.
Alisha Sheikh and Aslam Dholia. Alisha Sheikh and Aslam Dholia. Can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read better.
Ma'am, can I Tolia Fatima?
Alisha Sheikh.
Alicia Sheikh. Ma'am, she is
Hmm.
not giving answer.
And what the next name I spoke?
Aslam Dholia.
Who is she?
Aisha Dholia.
Yes, you read better.
Ma'am, she also.
Ma'am, I am in Marathi.
Ma'am, can I read?
What is your name?
Yes, ma'am. Can I start doing
Ma'am, she is Aisha Dholia.
Aisha Dholia, read
Ma'am,
better.
can I read? My name is Supun. Yes, ma'am. Measure longitudes. Number one, prime meridian Greenwich. The 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known as prime meridian. It divides the earth into two vertical halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It has longitudes extending up to 180 degrees on both eastern and western sides. Since it passes through Greenwich,
Hmm.
it is generally referred to as the prime meridian as.
As well.
Ma'am, can I read, please, ma'am? Can
Ma'am,
I
can I
International
read?
continue?
internet
Ma'am, can I read? I know.
international daylight. Aina, Fatima, please understand. If you keep on interpreting in middle, the
Ma'am,
teacher
I am
will.
not here. Ma'am, Aina is.
I will not allow you. I will never give you a chance.
Ma'am,
Again,
ma'am, I
Bolo.
am not saying. Aina is saying.
Again and again, Aina and Ilma. If you keep on interpreting, I know when I have to give a chance. And if you are silent, only then I will give the chance.
Ma'am, I am not saying.
What is your name?
Tolia Fatima.
Ilma.
Ilma, you are speaking again and again. Okay?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll see. When I require, I'll ask you to read. Okay? Okay? Now, see, Sukun, what it is, international date line, as I said you, is not a straight line. Why? Okay, what is the use of international date line? Anyone remembers? What happens if we crisscross international date line? If we cross international date line, what happens? No one? Okay. If we cross international date line, the date and day changes. What happens, beta?
Day and
Hel-
date change.
Day and date changes, right? And it is a 180-degree longitude, not 0-degree longitude. 0-degree longitude is what is the prime meridian, greenwich जिसे बोलते हैं. ओके 180 डिग्री लॉन्जिट्यूड को क्या बोलते हैं? इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा?
International dateline.
Exactly. Understood?
Yes.
Now, this 180-degree longitude, as it is known as date line, international date line, means all the countries, they follow this date line. Okay? And it separates two calendar dates. Whenever you might be crossing one country to other country, you might be noting that date and day changes, right? Why? Because you have crossed this international date line. I have explained to you this previously, remember? Remember whose mic is on?
Ma'am Aina.
Sorry, ma'am, I
Aina,
forgot.
mute your mic. Okay? So, there is only 180-degree longitude, okay? Which is known as international date line. Okay? When one crisscrosses this line, the day and date changes. What happens, beta? The day and date changes.
Change.
Yes. The international date line passes through the Pacific Ocean and separates two calendar dates. What does it do? And separates two calendar dates. This is because it is not drawn. If it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands. And due to this, they might have 2 days and 2 days on the same island. So what will happen? This might create confusions. Yes or no? It will create confusions. Thus, therefore, the line it passes over land and it is shifted towards water bodies, and so it is not straight but it is zigzag like this. Can you see? Understood about international date line? Yes,
Yes.
Julia Fatima, read beta.
And ma'am, she is also continue asking.
अच्छा ऐसा है. सुकून
Yes.
वीरानी, you read better. There are many monitors in my class. Huh? Sukun Virani is there. चलो आई ना, यू रीड बेटा.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
हाँ तो उसको ढोलिया फातिमा को दे देती तो थैंक यू नहीं, खुद को मिला तो थैंक यू. हाँ
Number 2, international dateline. There is only one 180-degree longitude which is known as the international date line. When one crosses this line, the day and date changes. The international date line passes through the Pacific Ocean and separates two calendar dates. E- e- it is not exactly 180-degree at all places since the line crosses across several time zones. This is because if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many island, and due to this, they might have 2 days and 2 dates on the same island. This might create confusion. Therefore, the line when it passes over land is shifted towards water bodies, and so it is not straight but zigzag.
Okay. Understood everyone? Any doubt till here?
No,
No,
ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, Julia Fatima, read better.
Okay, ma'am. The sun is the biggest clock of the earth. The time the time at my place is
At my place,
decided
nahi, at any place.
at any place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky and its longitude. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitude in all 180 to the east of the prime meri- meridian
Meridian.
meridian and 180 to its west. In the way
In this way.
15
The way
yes
in this way.
in in this way 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. Thus there is difference of 4 minutes.
सहज बोला है.
Okay, ma'am. Thus there is difference of 4 minutes between two exact longitude. Therefore, the time in different places on the earth varies as
Very,
per
very
their
nothing.
longitude.
Varies.
Varies
Hmm.
as per their longitude.
Hmm. Why today, Julia Fatima, here and there mistakes are coming out in reading part? Hmm? Not having practice of reading at home?
Ma'am, I prepare.
Yeah, see that you all of you practice whenever you are free at home. Okay? So that
Okay, ma'am.
your reading skills will develop more. Okay? Hmm. Yes. So we all know that very well that the sun is the biggest clock, okay, of the earth. Is the time taken at any place is decided by the positioning of the sun in the sky and its longitude. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. In how many hours?
24 hours.
Yes, in 24 hours. How many hours, girls? In
24 hours.
yes, in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes in all, 180 to the east and 180 to the west from the prime meridian. Okay, so in this way, 15 longitudes passes by the sun in 1 hour. How many longitudes passes by the sun? 15 longitudes, okay? 15 longitudes passes by the sun in 1 hour. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. How much time does it take? 4 minutes to rotate. Okay. Thus, there is a difference of 4 minutes. How much is the difference? Thus, there is a difference of 4 minutes between two adjacent longitudes. Therefore, the time in different places of the earth varies as per their longitudes. Okay. Now, local time and standard time. This is a very important part and it is to be understood very nicely. Standard time and local time, which I have also previously shown you all in my presentation. Remember? I forgot. Still, we will go through it. Okay, once. Okay. Yes, Ilma, you wanted to read, no?
Ma'am,
Huh?
can I read?
What is your good name?
Tulia Fatima.
Tule Fatima, you got a chance. Ilma or Aina is left to get a chance.
Mama, I have read Aina Madra.
Okay, and Ilma?
Ilma has not got chance.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Aina, you take a second chance then.
Ma'am, Ilma is left.
Okay, okay, you take Fatima.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, Aina and Fatima.
Okay,
Ma'am,
I
can
guess
I?
we will have to stop because your timing is got over. Yes, understood everyone till here? Or
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, any doubts? Any one of you?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now see.